He's the chef to cut, to eat chicken, to eat beef, to eat what? Kamari laughing. Andy, you
Tante Gagaw.
like you look, not on the front, yeah. When you're cutting, you use this. You not use this.
Oh.
Okay?
Oh.
I don't know. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. Don't put your hand too close to the knife. Your hand go a little bit far from the knife. We are cooking. Put your hand, this one not go close.
Mama, it's not close.
I'm scared when Auntie Zoe cooking, I'm scared, guys. That's why they both not really cooking. Oi. We cooking apa?
Kodok.
Kodok is
With you.
Papa Dali favorite food. Another one. Scary guys.
Done.
Where did you go today? คุณย่าถามว่าไปไหนมาก็ไม่จำไม่ได้ ไม่ได้นี่ของย่า Say hello ค่ะ Hi guys Bye guys
Mami, that's not polite.
จะจึงจ้าแล้วจะจึงจ้าแล้วจะจึงจ้าจะจึงจ้าจึงจ้าจึงจ้า She wanna dance guys She wanna dance Oh yeah
Oh, did you wash your hand?
Yeah
Okay. Oh, not the knives, girl.
You can do anything on your live show จ้าแล้วจะจึงจ้าแล้วจะจึงจ้าแล้วจะจึงจ้า We have to wash that so we already cut the kodong
Let's just put it to my...
we already cut the Auntie Zoe can you go out get the scissor and get the Thai Brazil please as soon as we move in we already grow vegetable here that's how handy go baby Auntie Zoe gonna get the kapro yeah guys we walk out the house and slowly princess hello hey that's the horapai and the poof from the dog no this way there
Oh.
cut it please cut it shanti sekan yeah down a little bit down baby you down here yes down
All this?
yeah then okay one and this is the kapro yeah the Thai basil guy cut it the flower also cut when they have flower they're not good they're getting old yeah cut more we need more you guys see that how I teach my children she don't even know how to do it more on the top แล้วเดี๋ยว they soak 1 week later they are growing up again this thing when you cut as long as you cut they grow you cut they growเขาลองlagi lah they cut you grow I mean you cut they grow yes get it yeah
That's it?
one more เด็ดเลยไปนี่ and this is the กะเพรา guy the Thai basil careful the poof the dog poof yeah and this over have yeah I think a little bit similar to you guys if someone is not with you anymore you burn the incense and then you just here this is the Thai basil and then we wash it we wash the frog the apa lagi
Kodok. Kodok guys.
Kodok.
Cuci kodok dulu guys.
Cuci kodok dulu guys อันนี้น้องแกะ small เลย only the lip only the lip มันอ่ะแกะอย่างนั้นได้โอเค one by one เลยอันนั้นอ่ะโอเค yeah and then we clean later oh beautiful auntie beautiful auntie Zoe yeah auntie Zoe this is the kodok after we already cut we already cut them small pieces because the TikTok says it may someone may be not comfortable to watch when they are the whole body of frog. Well, I understand, but I'm not kicking the dog. I'm cooking for Magan, so you Magan, you cook. It's ที่เขาเรียกว่าอะไรนะลูกลูกโซ่อะ yeah so yeah now it look like a chicken guy look like a chicken but the meat it even yummy than the chicken hello Ness
Hello.
there's mama cooking frog
Kodok.
kodok
Oh my gosh.
mama cooking frog what the frog
What a frog.
Mama cooking frog because this is Papa Dali favorite food.
Apa?
Yeah.
Ini.
Hold on.
Ayan di sebelah. Saya ke atas tadi ya.
Enak sekali. Turn around the camera, ya.
Dia mau makan.
Because you might want to see, yeah.
Yeah, but I want
Don't want to see Auntie Joey.
Jadi di atas.
We cooking frog, guys. We cooking frog. Gondong. Godong. Okay. With the curry, yeah, guys. Yeah, sudah make curry. Yeah. In the curry have garlic, turmeric, black pepper,
Ya.
and
Baru banget.
cabai,
Ayo habis istirahat.
and
Cuci rambut.
terasi.
Ayo malas cuci rambut sendiri.
Ah.
Salam dulu tadi pulang.
This is very Auntie Zoe and Papa Dali favorite foods. They love it. You don't imagine, right? How can bule eat frog? But they both is not 100% bule. They also 50 Asia. They also Asia. And when Yaya take them to Thailand, yes, and she eat it well. And Auntie Zoe love durian. Come on, Zoe, durian, Zoe. Auntie Zoe love durian banget. Normally durian in Indonesia, we disappointed here. It's not yummy, right? I cannot compare it in Thailand, but try this one. The react, you see, meaning.
Sumpah guys, nagbuangnya. Nagbuangnya.
อร่อยไหมลูก Wow because only 3 pieces cost me 175 dollars but I know it enough that's why I buy because many times we buy it and then we disappointed because we tidak tahu ya apa nama durian di sini durian apa durian montong but tidak montong you know montong Thailand is montong yeah so Yaya continue to put terasi in the curry so we take over Yaya live show please
Mana ya?
oh guys today Yaya buy new dress so Yaya use for cooking
Baju baru guys.
Yaya cantik, Yaya cantik, Yaya cantik, cantik banget. Sidat guys. Yeah. I need the terasi. terasi. Ini satu sendok besar sendok. Hi everyone. Thank you for watching ค่ะ Don't go anywhere guys. This is Thailand terasi. Thailand terasi is the best. I'm sorry. But you can eat like this. Enak sekali, enak banget. Oh, it smells like a perfume, guy. Smell like a perfume. To me, to European people, smell like. Yeah. Durian. Auntie Zoe eating durian. And Yaya cooking kodong. Kodok. Soon my Indonesian bagus sekali. Number 1. Yeah, don't go anywhere guys. If you want to see how Yaya cook kodok. Kodok. Okay.
Sally, so beautiful. Thank you.
Hey, in durian smell the whole fish. Sudah finish? Sedikit every day?
Yang di pun ya.
Of course, for week.
ไว้ข้างนอกในตู้เย็น
เอาไว้ในข้างในตู้เย็นจ้ะ
มันเป็นตู้เย็น
เหม็นตู้เย็นก็ช่วยอะไรไม่ได้ เพราะว่ามันต้องอยู่ในตู้เย็น ถ้าไม่อยู่ในตู้เย็นเดี๋ยวมันจะเสีย Hi watching from Singapore Hi thank you ค่ะ we cooking papada Singapore Malaysia Hong Kong Germans Dubai thank you for all Yaya fan thank you for all you guys support we cooking soon Yaya already put the pan on the fire and the curry Yaya make it ready yeah. Ui. Frog knife curry okay princess this is a frog we put in the pan can you help mama swap the camera sometime go to yourself sometime
What are you saying?
I cooking you hold you smart dude I still here so put the frog inside please not aqua use your hand okay the frog in thank you because the frog is freezer yeah so I have to take off the water a little bit before I put the oil inside later we put oil inside and we put the curry and Auntie Zoe wash the Thai basil please don't go anywhere guys because this is the best meal in Thailand also the Sydney frog is also from the rice field from the farmer or also from the farm yeah the one I like is actually from the river or from the rice field smell a little bit of the mud ui enough again there we go this is a Thai basil kaprau from the garden Auntie Zoe just get it okay Auntie Zoe cook Ya, Mama can clear the curry sedikit. Papa Dali favorite foods. Also Auntie Zoe love it. That's why she helped me. She just come back from the Vietnamese restaurant. As soon as she know I cook some godok, she stay right next to me. We cooking godok. Oh, even the curry. Wow. Ah. Even the curry smells so good. I'm not pretending. I tell you guys already, I have no contents. I don't have fake contents. I don't know how to do it. I do everything. I do everything like a everyday life of my life. Whatever I do, I share to you guys. Uncle need to go out.
Oh.
Uncle tidak bagus. Okay, take Uncle out. Because the frog is freezer. Hey, move yang ini sih. Yes. Yeah, go. Uncle out. It's okay. Go.
Oh.
Ui.
What?
Yeah, and then Mama put the frog inside again. Okay, Uncle out. Uncle. Yeah, out. Okay, and now we put the oil. Oil sedikit aja. No. We put curry first.
แล้วน้ำอ่ะ
น้ำบอกเอาแล้วนี่ look at this curry.
curry ใส่ก่อนนะ
Oh my goodness, smells so good. The terasi, amazing. Yes. Goreng the curry. Yeah, goreng the curry. Careful. Use your one another hand, please. Kodok. Hello, Zoe. Kodok. Goreng kodok. With the Thai basil. Nearly finished chili powder. Yes, Auntie. And we put the kodok back. That's looking good. That's looking very good. Look, Shanti, sama Auntie Zoe.